Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare SSL Handshake failed. If you're seeing an SSL Handshake failed error in Cloudflare, one common fix is to review your SSL setting and then clear the Cloudflare cache so the change can take effect cleanly. In this walkthrough, we'll go through that process step by step inside the Cloudflare dashboard. Start by opening your Cloudflare account home. Once you're there, select the sample domain you want to work on. This takes you into the settings for that specific website, which is where Cloudflare's SSL and caching controls are managed. After opening the domain, look to the left side navigation menu and click on SSL TLS. This section controls how Cloudflare handles encrypted connections between visitors, Cloudflare, and your origin server. Inside SSL TLS, click on Overview to make sure you're in the main SSL settings area. Next, click on Configure. This is where you can adjust the SSL mode for the domain. From the available options, select the sample mode shown in your setup. Choosing the correct SSL mode is important because a mismatch between Cloudflare's setting and your server's certificate configuration can often trigger handshake errors. Once you've selected the mode, click Save to apply the change. After saving, the next part is to clear cached content so Cloudflare can refresh how it serves the site. In the left navigation, click on Caching. Then open Configuration. In this section, find and click Purge Everything. This tells Cloudflare to clear all cached files for the domain, which can help remove stale responses after an SSL-related change. When the confirmation appears, click Purge to complete the process. Depending on your site and traffic, it may take a short moment for the cache purge to finish and for the SSL adjustment to fully propagate. Once that's done, give the site a quick refresh and test it again. If the handshake issue was caused by an SSL mode mismatch or cached content, this update should help resolve it. As a general tip, after making SL changes in Cloudflare, it's a good idea to wait a minute or two and then check the site in a private browser window to avoid seeing older cached behavior locally. That's it. You've updated the SSL setting for the domain and cleared the Cloudflare cache, which are two key actions when troubleshooting a Cloudflare SSL handshake failed error.